In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a member a guest in Asana. This is really useful when you want someone to have limited access to your workspace, for example, a client, a contractor, or anyone who doesn't need full member permissions. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also explain what you're looking at along the way so nothing feels confusing. First, open Asana and make sure you're logged into the correct organization or workspace. Look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile area there, usually with your name, initials, or a small profile picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that contains your personal settings and administrative tools. From that menu, look for the option labeled Admin Console. This option will only appear if you have the necessary admin permissions in your Asana organization. If you don't see it, you may need to ask an existing admin to make these changes for you. Click on Admin Console, and Asana will take you to a dedicated area where you can manage users, billing, security, and other workspace settings. Once the Admin Console opens, you'll see a navigation panel, typically across the top or on the left side. Find and click on the section labeled Users. This is where you can see everyone who belongs to your organization, full members, guests, and sometimes pending invites. The Users tab lets you control who has access and what type of access they have. After you're in the Users section, locate the specific person you want to change from a member to a guest. You can usually scroll through the list or use the search bar to type their name or email. When you find the correct user, look to the far right side of their row. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots. This will open a small drop-down menu with additional actions you can take for that user. In this menu, you'll find the controls you need to adjust their role and manage their access. From here, you can continue with the option that changes their status, effectively treating them as a guest with more limited access than a full member, and that's it. By following these clicks, profile icon, admin console, users, and then the 3-dot menu next to the person,